Today I want to see the condition of my friend's grapes in the garden. Look, here there are lots of mangosteen and banana trees that he planted, but they haven't yet had the fruiting season. That's the UV plastic covered greenhouse where he grows grapes. Let's see what it's like inside. Wow! There are lots of flower seeds here that he planted using polybags. Let's look over there to see if there are any grapes we can taste. It turns out there are only a few bunches of fruit and they are already starting to turn red. Let's try picking one to see how it tastes. It turns out it's still sour even though it's red. Then let's just let it ripen further. See, the grape branches here are attacked by powdery mildew fungus and we need to spray this first before pruning. The tertiary branches here look to be growing well. But I will cut all the lateral shoots first to retain nutrients in the bud so that these tertiary branches all have the potential to bear grape flowers. Look, the buds are already showing a generative phase, visible from the white buds at the tips and seem to be about to burst. This is a bougainville flower, guys. It looks very beautiful. There are several color variants here, including pink, red, purple, yellow and white. My friend eating sugar cane that he took in the garden earlier. See, they are skilled at peeling sugar cane with their teeth. Have you ever tried eating sugar cane like this? Okay, that's enough for our activities today in the garden. Maybe tomorrow I will come here again to spray fungicide. Don't forget to support simple activities. I do this by clicking subscribe, like, share and comment if necessary. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.